Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Saturday morning. Good morning. So, car shows today. We got Maybelline warming up. We're fixing to go pick up some club members and head out there. We took some vehicles last night. Tried to get the Hudson there, but the battery died on me at the gas station, so we don't have time for it right at this moment. We got to get there. Maybe I'll get to come back and get the Hudson, but for now we got Maybelline cleaned up and ready to rock and roll. So, all right, she's about ready. Anyway, this will be a pretty good car show, I think. From what I've gathered, it's going to be pretty big. There's a new class, rat rod class. I'm kind of excited about that because at this car show, we've never had rat rod class before. So I'm thinking that'll be new, and probably just go ahead and enter old Maybelline in the rat rod class because she's a ratty catty. I mean, that's what she's known for. Locally, everyone around town calls her the ratty catty, and actually on the fender skirt painted ratty catty on it. Her name's Maybelline, but she goes by ratty catty. Now that we got a camel down us, we're ready to hit the road. It's running good. We got a new carburetor on it, new exhaust. Oh yeah. My electric windows working. Let's go get our club members. Here we go. Alright, we got the gang. Here we go.
I've come a long way, for so low. I've got a few more steps before it's time to go. Howling wind, lonely moon, broken bottle, dark saloon, coffin nails, dead in chairs, shooting stars, and rusted cars. Woke up this morning, saw around my bed, bitter and helpless, hands on my head. Water rises, water flows, to pour for you, too late to go. Howling wind, lonely moon,
Alright, we will come back and got the Hudson. Put another battery on it. Let's see if we can make it. So we motored out. We got here, me and my mom went back. We picked up the Hudson. We got it here. We're at the car show. We're having a good time. It's a little windy, so excuse that in the video, but I'm going to do a walk around and kind of show y'all everything that's going on and let y'all be here with me. Maybelline. They were test guys online. Got our little sign made there. That's my mom. You're gonna be on YouTube.
Oh, well, hi.
Everett Hudson. That's my dad. You're gonna be on YouTube. Say hi. Hi. This is 51. Flo. Flo's a handful. She's kind of stubborn. We got a oil pan leak. We got to fix on this before we take back off. But
she's just like your grandma that I named her after.
He said she's just like my grandma that he named her after. But that's Flo.
Unique. She's unique.
We didn't have time to clean. That's our little group. Yes, a friend of mine, Thomas Hood, is his truck. It's a project. He's been working on it for a little while. He gets a little more done every year. It's got a 454 in it. We'll start at this corner and work our way down. Really sweet little Plymouth. Yeah, it's really cool. We got people from all different walks of life and different tastes. This Cadillac over here. Beautiful Cadillac, ma'am. What year is it? It's beautiful. 57 Cadillac.
119.
Oh man, someone had a bad morning. Sad.
That's fine. Let's go to Chili's! Or you can go in that building. I passed them coming from Anglers today.
Okay, that's the outside row. We'll start on the inside row. Panteras. V-Dub. This is not my style, but I do respect the craftsmanship. That went into that. Someone spent a lot of time on that. It's wild. Little Izetta. Steve, I know you're watching this video and I know you like these trucks, so this one's for you, buddy. Gotta get this from my friend Steve Washburn. You'll really dig it. Wish he was here. Yeah. There you go, Steve. Something for everyone here. This is one of my personal favorites. I'm a Back to the Future fan. All my life growing up, I've watched Back to the Future and I wanted McFly's truck. That's my dream truck. Mm-hmm. Man, I've wanted that truck my whole life. Statler Toyota. Mm-hmm. The old Reddy Monza. It's pretty wild. I'd like to drive it one time. Alright, let's start on another row. Javelin. This Lark gets me, man. I want to build my Studebaker so bad. Yeah, it's pretty cool. .37 panel. 51 Cleveland. All kinds of wild stuff going on here.
Killing time, it's killing time, it's killing me. Taking myself back, thinking I won't see that my crossing line, they bury me. I just might find the only place out there.
I like this. I like that too. Oh, 2 4-barrels. Hell yeah. This caught my eye. It's a 50 Pontiac. 51 Pontiac. It's a tough looking car. It's really cool. Straight 8. I guess something for everyone. A loop tail Diamondback. Oh, I had one of these, man. I love that bike. That brings back so many childhood memories right there. Nice wheel and tire choice. Alright guys, we made it home. All in one piece. Dad made it. Yeah, it's all good. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you back here next time.